Hair, makeup, nails, bitch, yes, I slay. I be giving face. Eyebrows on swim.
You a girl.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new supporter, welcome to my channel, and if you're not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you're here, make sure you leave a thumbs up under this video. Today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be making these beautiful, delicious rainbow syringe Jello shots. They are perfect for any party or any like family get together, and the rainbow colors are just so pretty together. Y'all got to stay tuned to see. For this recipe, guys, I'm using 3 different type of alcohols, but it's really your preference. You can use 3, you can use more than 3, and you can only use 1 if you want to. That all come down to your preference and how you want your Jello shots to come out. They all come out the same. It's just the different alcohol. You obviously can taste them when you infuse them into your Jello shot, so it's really your preference or the preference of the person you're making your Jello shots for. For these Jello shots, guys, I'm going to be using Smirnoff in the flavor green apple as the vodka, Jose Cuervo in the flavor blue agave, and that is a tequila. And I'm also using a grain alcohol, which is Everclear. Before I get to using these Jello shot syringes, I am going to sterilize them, soaking them in bleach water for at least 20 minutes. And then when they're done soaking, I'm going to rinse all of the Jello shot syringes back off, because people are going to consume the Jello shots with these syringes and they're coming offline. And with all this stuff going on in the world today, you can never be too safe. Jello shot syringes were actually purchased offline from the person who wanted me to do her Jello shots for her party, so I'm not sure an exact link, but you can go on Amazon and search for them. First off, as you can see, I'm starting with the color purple, and all I'm doing throughout this whole video is repeating the same steps. So I'm actually just going to walk you guys through purple, and then I'm going to just let the video play out so you can see the steps over and over again. All I'm going to be changing are the colors that I'm using. Everything you guys are going to need to make these Jello shots will be listed in one of the corners of this video. I poured the grape flavored purple Jello into the bowl first, and now I'm going to put exactly 1 cup of water into the bowl, not too much or not too little, because I want the Jello to actually form into Jello even with the alcohol. To cook the Jello properly, or to make the Jello properly, the water has to be very, very hot in order for it to mix well. I didn't actually show you guys me mixing the purple gelatin in with the water, but just know when you are mixing, you must make sure that your mixture is properly blended, that you're mixing the water and the gelatin till your whole mixture is completely liquefied. And also for this first batch, I decided to use the Jose Cuervo tequila as my infuser, and I also am going to use the Everclear as a booster, just to make it a little bit more stronger. And once again, once I pour this alcohol into my Jello shot mixture, I'm definitely going to mix well so my alcohol can be evenly distributed. Now for the fun part, I'm going to take my sterilized syringe and I'm going to add the Jello shot into my syringe. One thing about these Jello shot syringes is that they didn't come with any type of measurement, but if your Jello shot syringes do come with measurements, try to do 30 cc, stop at 30 cc of Jello. But with these syringes, they didn't come with measurements, so I'm eyeballing it throughout this whole video, and I know I may have put more than what is needed for a single Jello shot, but just work with me. For my yellow Jello shots, guys, I'm obviously repeating the same exact steps I did for the purple Jello shots, but you guys can stick around to see the process over again. If you didn't catch it the first time, I'm adding 1 cup of the boiling water and mixing well. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of the alcohol, but I think I'm only using 1 alcohol this time. Here we go again with our third color, blue, and I am going to go into detail about the mixing and the adding the water. I'm going to add 1 water once again, same exact thing as with the purple and the yellow earlier. I'm adding 1 cup of water, then I'm going to mix well, then I'm going to add the 1 cup of alcohol. I'm not sure, but you guys will see what type of alcohol I'm using, and then I'm going to mix well again, then I'm going to add it to the syringe so you guys can watch that. Now for my green Jello shots, guys, I'm doing the same mixture, the same everything. The only thing that has changed is the color. Like I said earlier, we're going to be repeating the same steps throughout this video for all the Jello shots. The next color I have is red, and throughout my rainbow Jello shot, I only use 5 colors, and you can use more, you can use different colors. That's a preference thing as well. So it's really up to what you feel like you want to use, what colors you want to put in your Jello shots. You can do 2 different colors. I did 6 different colors, or 5. I did 5 different colors. But yeah, now that I have completed the red, my last color was red. I didn't go through how I made the red because I've been going through how I made the other colors. So at this point, y'all get how to make the Jello shot syringes. But now that all the Jello shot mixtures are made and in the syringe, I'm going to place my Jello shot mixtures that's inside my syringe into the refrigerator. And I think I'm going to do this for 2 hours, and then I'm going to check and see if my Jello shots have solidified. That's why I have the regular Jello shots. It's easier to test with the regular Jello shot containers, the small ones that come with the cap that I'm showing you guys. But yeah, it's easier to check with those. So once those have solidified, that would mean the whole batch has solidified. And also they're liquid, so if you don't see anything moving around, that means they are solid. But if you do see liquid, you should stick your Jello shots in the refrigerator for a little longer. At this point, it's been 2 hours, so now I'm gonna check my Jello shots. I'm grabbing this small green Jello shot container just to see if it's solidified, and if it is, that would mean my Jello shots are done. Okay guys, look like the 2 hours was enough for these Jello shots. They all look done and they all smell so good. It is crazy. I'm glad you guys clicked on this video. I hope you guys stick around to see future videos. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and do so. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe and like this video and comment down below what other videos or what similar videos you would like to see on my channel.
Yikes.